Welcome to this channel. So may you please feel comfortable. We're going to be going through this textbook, Rainbow. It's such a very nice book because it gives the foundation to the learners and it goes steps to steps, building their understanding on some of the most difficult concepts. So here, this channel basically is for parents, for learners themselves. Just to help them, give them more confidence as they tackle problems in mathematics. Okay, welcome to in this topic. The topic of today is we're dealing with the base 10 counting. This is a grade 6 topic from the book itself, from the first part of the book. Okay, let us start. Now, here on our left, right here on our left, this side, you see we've got, okay, let me just change quickly the colors. These colors are not very clear. I'm going to take probably the red one so that it's more visible. So we've got this is basically one block, which symbolizes one, letter 1. Okay. Now, if we stack each block here linearly on top of each other, and if we put, let's say, 10 blocks, then how do we call this? We can call this 10, right? Because we've got 10 there. And we can do the same here. But now this, we can arrange the block as a square, to make this square shape. So how many blocks will we have? If we count, we know on this side, from here up to there, we'll end up having 10. And then from this side up to that side, we'll also have 10. So basically, it will be like a 10 by 10 blocks, side by side. If we have to count it, so you can count it on your own, we'll end up having 100 blocks here. So we've got 100. So now, just to recap, this shape now, we'll call it 1. It's a unit. That's why we call it 1. This is a unit. This shape, we now call it a 10. Right? This we call it 100. Because we've got 100 blocks. This we call it 1,000. Right? Let me just say TH for 1,000. So, I think that is it. With that understanding, we can carry on. We can answer the question below. Okay, let's go to the first question. Now, how many? This is 1A. What type of shape have we got here? Have we got a unit? Have we got a 10? Have we got 100? Or have we got 1,000? What shape can we identify here? Okay, here. What shape can we see? So, we clearly see that this shape is exactly the same as this shape right here, right? That means we've got a 10. So, how many 10s have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got, let me write it here. We've got 6. We got 6 shapes of 10. We've got 6 shapes of 10. How do we write that? When you have 6 shapes of 10, you can just say you've got 60. Right? Suppose, let's say you've got unit. Let's say you've got 3 units like this. When you've got 3 units like this, which shape have you got here? What is the quantity of all that? It's just 3. You have 3 objects, 3 cubes. Not cubes, but 3 blocks. Right? If, let's say, you had, let's draw a 10 again. We got 10. We must have, so it must be like a stick, which is standing like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is called a 10, right? So if you've got not only one, but you also have another one here, I'm not going to draw it. So you'll be having two 10s, right? So the easier way to write it, you just say you have 2, you have 20, which is 2 10s. Like, so that's basically what I wanted to explain here. So let's come back to this here. What have we got, right? What have we got here? So we say we've got 10s here, but how many of them? We've got 6 10s. So we got how many? There are 6. Each ones, there are 10. So how do we write it? 6 10s, we say we've got 60. Now, what about here? Here, B has got which quantity? We have 4 objects. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Each of these objects, what's the name of this object? It's called 100. This also is called 100. This is also 100. This is another 100. How many hundreds have we got? We've got 4 objects. Each of them, they're 100. So we say we've got 400. That's the answer here. So I'm sure you can see there's a pattern here. Yeah, right? You can see that there's a pattern. Now, the next question, 1C. What object have we got here? These objects are cubes, right? We've got one cube here. We've got the second cube here. We've got the third one here. On each cube, we know how many blocks have we got in each cube. These cubes, that's why we call them hundreds. Do I have to change colors? Maybe for more clarity, I can change colors. Let me take this. So right here we have, this is a 100. No, it's 1,000 actually. We have another 1,000 here. We have another 1,000 here. So basically, what do we have here? So we have 3 objects. Each of them, they are thousands. So our answer here will be 3,000. Right? Now the next object here, what do we have? Here we've got this object is called 1,000. This object is called 100. This one is called 10. Now, that's the next question. Question D. Okay, how do we put them together? 1,000, 100, and 10. Then we need to sum them up. We can sum them up. We can put them together like this. So we got 1,000 plus 100 plus 10. So we're going to sum them together. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1. And then here we got nothing here, so it means we got 0. So it is 1. And then 1 plus here we got nothing. Here we got nothing. 1 plus nothing, we've got 1 there. So this is the answer we've got. So the answer is 1,110. That is our answer. Okay. I hope this small explanation has been instructful. I mean, it's been informative. And then we're going to move to the next one. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to the channel so that we may continue to produce such contents for you. Thank you very much.